Hey, good morning. Nick here with Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon. Going to do a quick video for you on stock number 23417. This is a gorgeous 2025 Tiffin GH1 on the Sprinter chassis. It's got tons of cool things to check out. Let's take a look. Here at Johnson RV Medford, I give you stock number 23417. This is a 2025 Tiffin GH1 on the Sprinter chassis, coming in under 20 feet in length bumper to bumper. Makes it extremely easy to drive and park. It is equipped with an air chuck underneath the front bumper, located right there on the left, and there's also one in the back if you like to take inflatable goodies with you. You've got the large light bar located right there above for additional lighting. You've got the nice solid steps to enter and exit the coach. They have also equipped this year with the side mounted ladder for an extra peace of mind getting up and down on the roof. You got a couple solar panels up there as well. Fox suspension in the front and the back. Again, this is the GH1 built by Tiffin on the Sprinter chassis. You got the loft bed, which will power down with ease with a push of a button inside. Your roll down screens, backup camera, inverter switch located there on the left, outdoor shower on the right. Large Girard power awning. Large entry to go in and out with a nice fold down table. You got the large fridge freezer. Nice little dry erase board right here to add your goodie list to. The new Tiffin seats do come out this way for additional elbow room if needed for the passengers. Lots of interior storage. Large 10-inch screen. It is equipped with the bath on the right. And again, this is the loft bed model, giving you tons of rear storage there. Deep stainless steel sink. You can check this one out online at johnsonrv.com, stock number 23417. Please give someone on the team a call to confirm availability. Hope the video was helpful, and have a great day.